In this video, I will show you how to add a new blog post in WordPress, how to optimize it for SEO before publishing it. First, hover over posts and click add new post. All right, so I'm using the classic editor because I'm comfortable using the classic editor. If you don't like it, you can use the Gutenberg editor plugin. Let's dive into it. So first, I'm gonna grab my article. So right click, Control C, go back, click here, drop it. So I'll be doing copy and paste throughout. For SEO purposes, you need to add a number. It helps your article rank. All right, but later on I'll delete it from my URL or the blog post link, but I'll show you how to do that. So I'm gonna scroll down, so I'll go back and I'll highlight everything, right click, copy and move over, click right here, right click, paste as plain text. Is because I'm copying from somewhere. See, so later on I'm gonna add stuff that I need. Scroll down and add your focus keyword. And by the way, I'm using Rank Math SEO to help me optimize my blog post well. And this is a plugin that you have to install. You have to install it. So my focus keyword is Namecheap web hosting. And go with this. I don't want to add review, but another thing you can do is to go to Google and type Namecheap review and check what's ranking, right? So Namecheap in-depth review, Namecheap 2023 reviews. This is something you need to do. So reviews of Namecheap. So as you can tell, Namecheap review is all over. Namecheap review, Namecheap web hosting. Okay. All right. So when you go back, thing is, Namecheap has different services. So they have domain, hosting, VPN, and the rest. But in this particular blog post, I'm trying to promote the hosting, all right? Because that's where the money is. And as you can see, right now I have the link here. So let me edit the link first before I forget. All right, just so I'll not forget. So I'll scroll. All right, so I need to take off the number because if not, after 2025, this blog post or this article will be old. So as you can tell, I don't have the 2025 in here, but I have it there. So each and every year, I'll come in and change this to 2026, 2027, and the list goes on. All right, just so the article will always remain relevant. So scroll down. My focus keyword will be Namecheap hosting review. I'll do Namecheap hosting review. All right, so I'll go with Namecheap. So Namecheap web hosting. I have 51%. So I need to keep checking and adjusting it. All right, so metadata is the asset. So what I'll do, I'll go, all right, so I'll highlight all of this, copy and go down. So right now, all I'm doing is working on the SEO because this is very, very important. So click on edit snippet. And like I said, you need to install Rank Math SEO. So I'll scroll down and click here, paste it. And I have limit. I have 160 characters and right now I have 209, but I'll make the necessary adjustments. So Namecheap web hosting company. So I'll be running with this. Namecheap web hosting. This is my keyword. Offers affordable and reliable hosting services for WordPress website and not just for selling the best domain names. All right, so this is something you need. All right, then when you are done, close it. So as you can tell, the keyword right here is Namecheap web hosting. Then view 2025. Now from 51 to 53. Then I will scroll down. See, that is checked. So focus keyword doesn't appear in the beginning of the content. So what do? You're gonna go up, and this is the beginning of the content. So I need to make sure Namecheap web hosting will come in here. What I'll do, it's always good to start with the keyword, even though you can rephrase it to make sense. I'll start with Namecheap web hosting review. Now it wouldn't make sense. So what I'll do, I'll say my review for the Namecheap web hosting to help beginners make an form of this. All right, so this will be the beginning of my sentence, and as you can tell, right now I have 59% from 53 to 59. So that's how. So we have to optimize everything before we start doing the highlighting of. So something like this, for instance, I need to add headline 2, and so I need to put web hosting here. Web hosting overview of the Namecheap web hosting review. As you can tell, see, now I have 62 because the headlines, which is the head H2 tag, must have the keyword to rank. All right, so let's scroll down. As you can tell, see, now everything is checked because at least I have in here, but I'll try and add one more. So apart from that, stuff like this, I'm gonna bold, but I don't want to do everything. So these are simple things I'll be doing later on. Just let it stand out, then I'll scroll down, but I'll do that later, like I said. What else? Now we are working the SEO. So additional saving errors, that means stuff that you need to do. Now this is good job, but when it turns green, is the best. So you can go in, and I know it's because this is too short. I will show you why. The breakdown. See, that's why I say you need rank math. All right, they help you to optimize your website really nice. So you need 2,500 words is 100% score. 2,000 to 2,005 is 70%. All right. So in my case, I'm between 600 to 1,000 words, which is 20%. So it's okay. You don't stress yourself if you believe that what you've written has everything the reader needs. All right. So I don't worry myself much about these things. So click on this arrow. So now we need to work on the additional SEO requirement. Focus keyword found in the subheading. So like I said earlier, is this one, but I need to add more. But I'll see along the way. I'll work out to get more. All right. So add an image with your focus keyword at all. All right, so first I'll show you how to add an image with your focus keyword, as they say here. So when you scroll down on your right side, set featured image, so click on it and I'll show you an example of what I'm about to do. So I'll go to my website, and this is the image I'm trying to set. So when you, let's say when I click on it, see the image is displaying here, so that will be the featured image. So I'll go back. All right, and I have it designed already in Canva. I'll go back and I'll click upload, click select files. It's the second one, so select and open. All right, this is it. So test Namecheap web. All right, and scroll down and select. Okay, so click set featured image. Bam, we have it here. So when I scroll down, as you can tell, the image is checked. So keyword density, which is low, the focus keyword and combination appears 2 times. So that means I need to add more, and because the keyword density should be what? Let's check it out. All right, so depending on the length of your article, it might be more, it might be less. So right now I have 65 from 59. So what I will do, I will H2 tag price and plans for Namecheap web hosting. All right, let's see. Now it's 0.31. I need to add maybe 2 or 3 more, then we'll be good. And uptime. Okay, I know where to put this. Okay, off Namecheap. We need to keep adding until we'll find out the security features. Okay, I can just go like this. Okay, you can do that too. Go here, H2. Yeah, later I can do H3. Let's see. It's 51, meaning it's okay, but I need to add 2 more to check green. Right here, I'll drop it here of Namecheap web hosting. And I go like this, 2, all right, 60. I need to keep adding stuff like that, just so you know. I'll do like this, Namecheap web hosting. This should be 3, headline 3, because it's not as important as the other ones. All right, so what else? Okay, right here. So I'll do like, then this will be 3. I'm trying, because you need to add H1, H2, H3. Okay, or even if you want, you can add H4. Actually, this should be H2, just to keep it nice, like this, so it's gonna flow. At least I have one H3 here. So let's see, now I have the green check sign. Okay, if I can add more, that would be good, because let's see. Okay, so as long as I have the green check sign, okay. URL, if I characters long, consider shortening it. Okay, all right, so I need to reduce my link because it's too long. So this is the link, so not this title, it's the link. So I will edit the link and see what's gonna happen for beginners. All right, so let's see. Web hosting review, the best for beginners. All right, so see how I have the semicolon here. The permalink doesn't recognize special characters. So this is how it's gonna look like. So I can edit more to make it look nice if I want, just to be more readable. Let me edit more to make it look nice. So I'll go here, and because it needs to be readable as well, not just for SEO. All right, so let's check it and see. All right, when you go down, so it's my website name / Namecheap web hosting review for beginners. So I'm gonna scroll down and check. See, I have it in here, 64 characters long, which is good. Kudos. So next one will be link out to external resources. So this is what I'm gonna do. I need to link it. And by the way, this, because I'm an affiliate for Namecheap, and I'll drop the link in the description box. So at least I need to link it. All right, so now I'm gonna link it to an external source. So I'll go up, and after this, after the preview, like, you can add link right here, but it's not good to do that, so I'll drop it right here. Then after highlighting, click on the link, drop the external link, and click this special link to check it, then click bold. All right, I wish you can change the color, but since you can't do that, okay, so this should check that off. All right, so as you can tell, it has checked it off. At least one external link with do follow found in your content. We couldn't find any internal links in your content. So I'll show you how to do that, and after I'll add one more image. So to do that, normally what I do is come down here, click enter, then I'll say please check out my Canva review before you sign up. All right, so something like this. Then I'm gonna use it to promote my Canva blog post. So I'll go here and I will right click on the link. Okay, I'll right click the post, or you can click it and go up here. Sorry, yeah, then Control A to highlight everything, Control C to copy, then go back, and then Canva review, so I'll highlight, okay, and then click on the link, drop it here and check and bold it. All right, so when you scroll down, as you can tell, okay, everything is checked except this, use content AI to optimize the post, which I'm not gonna do that. All right, so the only thing is, oh, right now I have 1010 words, which is good. All right, so there's one more thing I need to do that is just by me. Actually, it's more than one. See this, I need to add more. So let me click on it and click edit. I'll copy the link, or what I can do, I can just right click and copy link address. Okay, yeah, it has copied. It's because I went out and I did a whole lot of stuff, so the link is gone. So I'll scroll down. Normally before the exit, let's say I can put it right here, Namecheap. So you have to make sure you have people locked all over. All right, so right there is good, and before the article ends, right here, like the conclusion, that's what I mean. Then check, oh sorry, all right, then bold it. Okay, that's how I do it. So I'll go down, and I'll add this down here. Hopefully it's gonna show. Yeah, then what else? I have the link all about before pricing. Where is it? Yeah, here. So I need to add it here. Plants. Click here. Or what I can do, I can just highlight this. No, I'll just highlight everything because it makes sense like that. Then click on the link. Click here. Click this. Oh, actually, let me bold it. So I try not to add too much, but I know on social media you can do this, but with your blog you can do it. So now I have green check sign. That is after I added the first link. Okay, so once you have all green checked except this silly AI thing, that's fine. Yeah, I need to add one more image under pricing. Okay, like I'm gonna add it right here. Then go up one more. Then what I'll do, I'll click on add image or add media. Then I'll come to the main site, add it to this. And what I'll do, I will screenshot. You can use a snipping tool. You can install this Chrome extension, all right? it's good. Then I'll go here, just like screenshot it and save. And what I'll do is the keyword right here. Okay, then I'll take off the PNG. I'll say for beginners, and I'll go back and I'll upload file, select this, and this is it. Open. All right, so alt test. So Namecheap web hosting. Okay, then insert post. All right, so what I'll do next, click on it, then click on the edit pen or pencil, whatever it is, then size, click on it, and full size, update. All right, so next I'll add the link. All right, so this image, I want to make it clickable, so click on it, then click on the link. Oh, okay, so the link is popping down here, so click in the box and click on the, okay, I lost the link, so I'll right click here and copy link address, click outside the box. Now click on the image and click on link, drop it, okay, and check it. All right, sometimes Google doesn't like you adding link to the image, but if they send you a message through Google Search Console, you can come and correct it. But hey, you have to take chances because you can't think for them. So it was 83, now it's 84. Okay. All right. So last but not least, I'll bold the subheadings. Okay, I will publish. Then after publishing, I will show you what to do next. So what I will do next is to scroll down, see right here, categories. I'll add the categories. I'll click here, add, and I'll name it WordPress web hosting. All right, and I'll click enter. Okay, so when you click enter, so anytime I write an article about WordPress web hosting and hosting, including domains, I'll drop them here. Okay, so tags, I can add tags. So I'll say WordPress web hosting. All right, actually this should be the best tag. So best web hosting. Then I'll go domain names, then add. So these are my tags. All right, so these are some stuff you need to do to conclude it. All right, now next is to publish it. So I'll click publish. All right, so this article is published. So what I'll do next, I'll go to my article right here, go back, see, boom, right there, I have it on my website. What I'll do next, I'll right click, copy link address, and I'll go to Google Search Console for indexing. All right, so I'll search Google Search. All right, so Google Search Console, click on it and start now. If you don't have Google Search Console account, I have a tutorial on it right here. Okay, so I'll drop the link in the description box, you can check it out. So when you log in, this is the first dashboard you see. All right, but if you want to add a property, then you work on it, but I have it, my tutorial will show you how to do that. But in this case, I want to go into one of my properties, which is the Blockstone. So I'll go in and I'll go to URL inspection and I'll click here, drop the link that I copied. All right, then enter. It's gonna say I don't have it. All right, not on Google. Then request indexing. This is something you need to do to be able to rank on Google. All right, but other search engines can pick it up, but you need to do this. All right, because you know Google is the #1 search engine on the planet. All right, so followed by YouTube. So after doing this, click dismiss and that's it. All right, I'll drop all the links in the description box. If you don't have Namecheap account, I'll drop the link in the description box. Don't forget to click on it, sign up using my affiliate link. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Please, thanks for your time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.